Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Uncle Adeniyi, your favorite maths teacher. In this video, I'll be teaching you algebraic expression. So we will be talking about finding common factors of two algebraic expressions. So now, what are common factors? Common factors are factors that appear in both algebraic expressions. Common factors, those are factors that appear in both algebraic expression. Now let's go further. Let's do examples. You are asked to find the common factors of number 1, 6s and 9s. What are those factors that will appear in both algebraic expression? That is, that will appear in 6s and also appear in what? 9s. It's very simple. So what are you going to do? You draw a table and look for the factors of 6s, draw a table and look for the factor of 9s, then you compare both factors, that appears in both. Do you understand? So this is 6s, right? Make your table. So what are those factors that will go in 6s? 2, right? 2, that will be 3x, right? So what are those factors again? 3 can go. So to make x, right? Then s can go, right? Which will now give you 1. Do you understand? So also do the same thing for 9x, right? So make your table. 2 cannot go in 9, right? So 3 can go. That will be 3x. 3 can still go. That will be x. Then s can go. That will be what? 1. Do you understand? So now write them out. So which will now be 6s will give you what? 2 times 3 times s. 9s will give you what? 3 times 3 times x. So now look for those factors that are common in both algebraic terms. 2 is, you can find 2 here, but there is no 2 here. 3 is here, but there is also 3 here. So you map them out, right? So x is here also. Map them out, right? So now remember what are those factors that are common? 3 and what? S. So that is what we call common factors. Do you understand? So let's move on to the second question. That one says find the common factor of 4a squared and 6ab. So 4a squared b, right? What are the factors that can go? 2 can go. That will be 2a squared b, right? 2 can still go. That will be what? A squared b, right? A can go. That will be what? AB. A can still go. That will be b. B can still go. That will be 1. Do you understand? So write your 6ab. Do the same thing for 6ab. So which will give you what? 2 in 6. 2 can go. 2 in 6 will give you 3. Which will now be ab. 3 can go. Which will now be what? ab. Right? A can still go. Which will now remain b. Right? B. So b can still go. Which will now remain what? 1. Do you get it now? We've got to the factors now. So now let's write them together. 4a squared b will give you what? 2 times 2 times a times b. Whereas 6ab will give you what? 2 times 3 times a times b. Do you understand? Look for those factors that are common. 2 is here, 2 is here. Map them out. So look at a is here. Map them out. B is here. Map them out. So these are the common factors. Therefore, common factors will now give you what? 2a and what? B. So these are the common factors. Do you understand? Now we have come to the end of the video. If this video has really helped you, I want you to like, comment, and also share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, see you in my next video.